Bitcoin stays above $71,000. Ether trades below $3,900. Kraken preparing for $100 million funding round ahead of possible IPO. GameStop rally sends Roaring Kitties shares to $1 billion. Telegram launches in-app currency stars for digital purchases. Franklin Templeton considers new altcoin-focused crypto fund. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA traded higher as investors digested the latest job openings data and focused on payrolls data for more rate cues scheduled later in the day. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading above $71,000 resistance level. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.2% at 91,320 points. Interestingly, BTC rallied to $71,700 earlier during the day following the European Central Bank's rate cut, but quickly tumbled, nearly dipping below $70,000 before bouncing to $70,600 at press time, down about 1% over the past 24 hours, CoinDesk Bitcoin index data shows. In other news, Robinhood, a stock trading app, is expanding its presence in the cryptocurrency market with the acquisition of crypto exchange Bitstamp. The deal is expected to close in the first half of 2025 and is expected to be around $200 million. Robinhood, known for its stock trading services, has been moving further into crypto territory over the years, adding support for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the Bitfinex Alpha report shows significant growth in Solana's DeFi ecosystem, with notable expansions in lending, liquid staking, and perpetual markets. Ethereum is expected to exhibit more movement against Bitcoin in the coming month, as analysts from QCP Capital highlight that the implied volatility of Ethereum options is currently higher than that of Bitcoin. Furthermore, well-followed market analyst Q noted concerted spot selling activity on crypto exchanges Binance and Coinbase and a simultaneous build-up of short perpetual futures positions on derivatives marketplaces, weighing on prices. CoinGlass data shows a significant leverage build-up around the $70,000 and $72,000 price area that could be liquidated in case of a breakout from the narrow trading range in either direction. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.64 trillion mark, increasing 0.1% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 2% to $75 billion. In an interesting piece of news, Binance has reopened its MasterCard platform for cryptocurrencies following a switch off in August 2023. The move follows legal challenges in the US, including multiple charges by the SEC and CFTC. MasterCard has now allowed Binance-related purchases on its network after an extensive review of the rigorous controls and processes implemented by Binance. Separately, the Floki token has reached 417,400 holders on the BNB chain, solidifying its position as the leading meme coin on the network. This achievement reflects the token's growing adoption and influence within the broader cryptocurrency market. Moving on, KuCoin, a prominent international cryptocurrency exchange, has officially backed Brett, a rapidly growing meme-based crypto initiative. The token is now available for spot trading on the platform and is paired with Tether USD for transactions. US stock futures were trading lower as investors geared up for the non-farm payrolls report. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded higher by 0.18%. Nasdaq 100 futures rose by 0.17%, while S&P 500 futures were up by 0.13%. Bitcoin was trading at $71,320, up 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1%, trading at $3,810. BNB was down by 1% to trade at $703. Solana SOL was down 0.3% and was trading at $171. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36, lower 1.6%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.4% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. Polkadot was down by 0.3% to trade at $7.1. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 2.7% to trade at $0.47. Polygon Matic was trading up by 0.1% to trade at $0.71. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, up by 0.1%.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. United States-based crypto exchange Kraken is reportedly considering a funding round to raise more than $100 million for the firm ahead of potential initial public offering or IPO. According to a Bloomberg report, Kraken was looking at a funding round expected to raise more than $100 million by 2025, and the exchange reportedly said it was always exploring strategic paths toward global crypto adoption, but it did not specifically comment on a potential IPO. Well, Kraken is facing a civil lawsuit filed by the US SEC in November 2023, and the regulator According to a Bloomberg report, Kraken was looking at a funding round expected to raise more than $100 million by 2025. The exchange reportedly said it was always exploring strategic paths towards global crypto adoption, but did not specifically comment on a potential IPO. Kraken is facing a civil lawsuit filed by the US SEC in November 2023. The regulator alleged Kraken operated as an unregistered exchange and made a business decision to reap hundreds of millions of dollars from investors in violation of US security law. Even facing scrutiny from the SEC, stock trading app Robinhood announced plans to acquire crypto exchange Bitstamp in a $200 million deal. Now, if regulators approve the agreement, it could be finalized in the first half of 2025. Keith Gill, a stock trader known for the GameStop short squeeze in 2021, is on his way to becoming a billionaire as GME shares continue to surge. Gill, also known by his internet nickname Roaring Kitty, revealed on June 2 that he had started trading GameStop stock again with $180 million to play with. The trader posted a $115.7 million position in GameStop shares and $65.7 million in call options on his Reddit account. GameStop's price currently sits at $46.55, a 118% gain since Gill shared his position. Social messaging platform Telegram has launched Telegram Stars, a new in-app token for purchasing digital goods and services. With Telegram Stars, many apps can now accept payments for digital services using the simplest payment method possible. In-app purchases on Android and iOS, said Pavel Durov, the firm's CEO, in a June 6 Telegram post. Well, developers can swap their stars for DogeCoin, the native crypto powering Telegram's the open network, via Fragment, a platform mostly used to buy and sell Telegram usernames. They can also use stars to further promote their apps on Telegram, Durov added. Well, Durov said Telegram will subsidize advertisements purchased with stars on Apple and Google, which take a 30% commission on digital product sales. Durov believes that this will economically incentivize developers to build digital products on Telegram. Asset manager Franklin Templeton is exploring for a new crypto fund for institutional investors, expanding its offerings beyond Bitcoin and Ether. According to a June 6 report from The Information, the mutual fund is considering a private fund to expose institutional investors to altcoins. The fund would also offer staking rewards, the report says, citing sources familiar with the matter. The report did not mention which altcoins would compose the fund's basket, but the asset manager has recently praised the Solana network's growth in 2024. Franklin Templeton manages approximately $1.64 trillion in assets as of March 2024. Now, this figure places the asset manager among the largest investment management firms globally. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Sandbox. Sandbox's Sand token has secured $20 million convertible debt at a $1 billion valuation, aiming to support content creators on the platform and in Metaverse economy. The popular Metaverse altcoin has been largely overlooked by investors due to the rise of artificial intelligence, meme coins, and Politify tokens. The Sandbox CEO Arthur Matrid stated that the new fund will advance the Sandbox's vision of a decentralized virtual world where cultural meets gaming, allowing the community to actively participate in the benefit from the ecosystem's growth. The investment aims to strengthen and grow the economy, allowing people to use Game Maker to create their own experiences on their phones and start earning money. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu community witnessed a sharp increase in burn rate as the burn rate soared to a staggering 3,894%, which led to the permanent removal of millions of SHIB tokens from the circulation. 4 million SHIB tokens were burned in 7 transactions in the last 24 hours. The surge in burn rate came at a sudden rise in the whale interest as the number of large transactions involving Shiba Inu doubled this week compared to the averages seen earlier in 2024, with a $433.66 million transacted in large transactions totaling more than $100,000. SHIB's large transaction volume increased by 223%. Next on the list, we have Floki token. Floki token has reached 417,000 holders on the BNB chain, solidifying its position as the leading meme coin on the network. This achievement reflects the token's growing adoption and influence within the broader cryptocurrency market. The Floki development team has launched a new Telegram-based trading bot which enables holders to trade any token on the BNB chain network, charging a 1% fee per transaction. 50% of the fees generated are allocated towards purchasing Floki tokens, creating a sustainable mechanism to boost the token's value and utility. The bot is also set for a full public availability by mid-June 2024. Next on the list, we have meme coin Bread. KuCoin, a prominent international cryptocurrency exchange, has officially backed Bread, a rapidly growing meme-based crypto initiative. The token is now available for spot trading on the platform and is paired with Tether USD, also known as USDT, for transactions. Trading began at 9 UTC yesterday, which is 6 June, and is now available for withdrawals. Brett, the iconic figure from Matt Fury's Boys Club comic, has found a new digital home on the Base blockchain, taking on the role of a fan token. Brett has experienced a 28% surge in value within the past 24 hours, with most gains occurring in the last few hours following its listing on KuCoin. Next on the list, we have Ripple. Ripple president Monica Long has expressed optimism about the potential of an XRP ETF, citing its potential value and the company's growing traction in the stablecoin sector. She highlighted the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in the US and the potential for traditional players to enter the market through ETFs and a tokenization of real-world assets. Ripple aims to introduce a trusted US dollar stablecoin to the market, leveraging its 10-year legacy as a trusted and a compliant enterprise player. The launch is expected later this year, with the company working on various aspects such as banking and distribution relationships, compliance, and the interplay between the stablecoin and XRP.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3burstTV.io or scan the QR code.